Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we will be talking about how Python can be a useful tool for your cybersecurity career. You can create your own tools, you can write your own exploits, and can also work on bigger projects which will solve bigger purpose. So maybe Python is a very slow language in comparison to Java or C, but still, due to its easy implementation and readability, we security researchers prefer Python for our personal projects. So Python will be an important tool for your cybersecurity or computer science journey. Moreover, this video will be a great help for those who are pursuing computer science in college or want to start their career in it. You can add features in this project, which I will show you in this video, and you can also create a fully functional project based on it. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, basically, in this video, we will be creating a basic cryptography project based on Caesar Cipher. So let's break down what I just said. So basically, cryptography means encryption and decryption of data, which helps to secure the data of any company or even your personal data. So in simpler words, you can just say that encryption and decryption of data to secure the data is called cryptography. So cryptography works on various algorithms, and maybe some of you have heard of them earlier, like uh, SHA-256 or MD5. These are hashing algorithms. These are also advanced form of cryptography. But in this video, we will be covering the most basic and the earliest form of cryptography. So the earliest algorithm was known as Caesar Cipher, and which we will be covering in this video. So in Caesar Cipher, the algorithm works on shifting. So basically, to understand shifting, I have a very good image. So this image depicts shifting algorithm perfectly. So shifting basically means when you assign a different value for a certain character. So, for example, if you have set the shifting value to 3 and you have entered a string uh, called A. So, if your string is A and your shifting value is 3, then the string will be converted to D, as you can see that B will be 1 and C will be 2 and D will be the third string in the 26 alphabet series. So as D is in the third place, you can uh, understand that the original string was A. Similarly, if you give an input of string B, you will receive a output of string E. As you can see that C, D, E is the third string. So you will get a output of E as the encryption value of B. So this is how shifting algorithm or Caesar cipher functions. This algorithm is the most basic algorithm, and using this you can create very simple projects including Caesar cipher encryption and decryption tool. So let me show you how Caesar function actually looks like in Python program. So this is a Python program which I have written to explain how Caesar function or how Caesar cipher can be implemented in a code. So basically in this code we have two functions. One is encrypt and the other one is decrypt. So you can see that there's a very slight change in the encrypt and decrypt one. I will explain the complete algorithm which has been used here. And this is the run part of the program through which the program will be executed, and it is embedded in a while true loop, which will be thus you can run it multiple times unless and until you decide to quit the program. So let me open a shell. Okay, so here, just a moment. Okay, so done. So let me explain the code right now. So I guess this part of the code is not so much important. You can also write it in simpler form, but just to increase the look of the program a bit, I have decorated it a bit. So this is not necessary at all. You can just simply write the run part in simpler methods as well. So let's start with the encrypt function. So in the encrypt function, we will be providing it with two parameters. One is our string, and the other one is the shift value. So basically, we take a empty string, which I have denoted here as result, which I will be returning at the end of the program, and end of the function. Sorry, end of the function, and this value will be our encrypted string. So basically, we will be converting, or we will be taking the string and convert, and we have to take each character from it or each letter from it. So, for example, if the string is ransom, for example, string is ransom. So in the first loop, the for loop here, we will be taking the each and every digit, and for example, in this case, we will be taking the first letter, so R. As R is transferred to the value of this variable, the char variable, we will then check if this R or if this string is in uh, uppercase or in lowercase, as the ASCII value of uh, capital letters and small letters are different. So if the letter which is passed to this variable, char variable, is capital, we will be running from 65 ASCII value. As we know this, from 65 the capital letters start. If you don't know, let me show you ASCII values. Uh, just a moment. There's a website, or there's a IBM website which has described it quite well. This is the one. So we can see that from 33 the values get start. So the 65th value is a letter. You can see the capital A ASCII value is 65, and similarly the small a value is 97, and it goes on up to 122. So using this feature, we Python has two functions in it. One is chr and one is ord. So if let me show you what this chr and ord is used for. If we open Python IDE and we write ord uh, a, we will be returned with a value of 65. So ORD function is a built-in function which will be returning the ASCII value of the particular string or the particular character which is given in the input field. Similarly, CHR will provide the string or the character value of the ASCII value provided in the input field. So these are basically the opposite of each other, and using this we can write our Caesar cipher program quite easily. So in this case, we will first check the ASCII value of the string which is assigned to the char variable, and then we will add the shift value and minus it from the 65th value, which will give us a integer value here, and using that we can find the particular string value which is necessary, or particular encrypted value which is necessary. So in this program, I have only used uppercase alphabets and lowercase alphabets. I have not used special characters like exclamation or hash or at the rate, anything. I have basically just used alphabets, capital and small case alphabets. So that's it for the program part. Similarly, the decrypt part is just the opposite of encrypt part. We will just subtract the subtract the shift value from the ASCII value of the character which is assigned to the char variable. So I guess that's enough explanation of the code. This is not a Python programming tutorial channel where I will explain everything. But still, if you face any kind of problem, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to explain all of your doubts. So let's see if it works correctly. Um, let's Python cipher.py. We can see that we are prompted with three functions: encrypt, decrypt, and exit. So let's encrypt, and let's provide something. Let's provide ransom, and I will use shift 4. So this is our encrypted message. So we are again prompted if we want to again decrypt or encrypt something, or we can exit the program as well. So let's check if our algorithm is correct or not, simply by if I choose decrypt and I give our encrypted message which is ransom. Let's check if the answer comes ransom. If the answer which comes in the output is same to the initial message which we provided for the encryption, then our algorithm is correctly coded and there's no fault in it. So let's check it, and we will provide shift 4, and we can see that we have received ransom here. So this is a pretty basic Python program using for cryptography. Uh, we can make this more advanced, and I will I want you guys to work on it as well. So I will do one thing. I will upload this project in our GitHub profile, and if someone wants to add some kind of advanced feature in it or something, just you can contribute to the project as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This video is a bit different from our initial or regular videos. We probably there will be a bit pause regarding bug bounties, as we are in short of POCs, and uh, without having the permission from the company, we can't post the POCs. So we have taken a bit, we have to take some break from it, and I still, if I get any POC, I will be posting new videos, as without learning live, there's not so much fun, and it's difficult to teach as well. So yeah, but you can expect by next week you will be again the bug bounty series will be started or restarted. That's the better form of saying it. So till then, we will be uploading other security related content, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye till then.